Senator Amy Marcos presented alleged documents in the Senate linking certain groups to plans involving term extension and charter change, including a supposed proposal to raise the minimum presidential age to 50, which she claimed could block Vice President Sara Duterte from running in 2028.
Bakit ito nilusog? Bakit patuloy ang pananakot?
Talagang garapalan, obvious na obvious, iniisa-isa ang majority.
Bakit may panggigipit?
Pinakakasuhan ng Ombudsman si Senator Rodante Marcoleta ng plunder at indirect bribery.
Bakit may pambabaluktot ng kwento?
Nililito nila ang publiko. Ang kainan ay naganap alas 4 ng hapon. Ang barilan alas 7. Nagmamalaking lang may nangangamusta. Si Camille Villar ang unang nag-update. Saka sila nagsireply. Last convo, 4 p.m. Next chat, 10 p.m.
Bakit may demolition job? Bakit may pait? Bakit hindi matanggap? Napakaraming bakit. At narito ang mga sagot. Pero bago ang katotohanan, wasakin muna natin ang kasinungalingan.
I, Alan Peter Shram Cayetano, having been elected to the position of Senate President,
Hindi nagpalit ng liderato para sa impeachment. Hindi totoong pinapakalat ng mga nabulaga.
These people here, ladies and gentlemen, in this body are not in favor of any amendments to the Constitution. We just want to bring back the integrity of this same chamber. Cannot we discuss that as a group, as a body, that we fight for our integrity, for the good name to be brought back?
Senator Mick Zubiri described the video as propaganda. Senator Rodante Marcoleta opposed efforts to remove the presentation from the Senate record.